Hello everyone and welcome to 1 Minute IT Shots. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to create your own website without using code, without using VS Code or Cursor. We just write some simple words and you'll find your own website. So the first step here to go to ChatGPT. So we just describe to ChatGPT what we want to build and what we want to use. So this is the prompt that we will give it to ChatGPT. So let's wait for it. So he generate to us a prompt that have all the necessary information to give it to Google AI. So it can generate to us a website. So we go here to Google AI Studio. It's free. You don't have to download it. So new app, describe our idea. This is what ChatGPT did for us, and then we click on build. And here we have to wait just a couple of minutes until it's done building, until the building is done. So here, as you can see here, it's generating the files that we need to. So we don't have to create these files or write coding. So we just need to wait for it. And as you can see here, we give it a time to complete generating the website. So here, our our website is completely done. We didn't write single code, so it's super easy. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe.